Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to increase and decrease indents in Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see on my screen, we have here a sample paragraph containing 5 different paragraphs in which I would like to increase an indent or decrease the indent as well. Now, let me demonstrate to you what I mean by increasing the indent and decreasing the indent. That right there, is the increasing and the decreasing of indent of our paragraph. Now, how do we do that? It is actually quite simple. All you have to do is press Ctrl in your keyboard, and then to increase, locate the right bracket on your keyboard and press it along with the Control key or Command key for Mac users. Press it once, and as you can see, we increase our indentation. Press it twice, thrice, and so on and so forth. Now, in order for us to decrease the indentation, all you have to do is to do the opposite. Instead of hitting the right bracket, press on the left bracket along with the Control key or Command key on your keyboard. Press it once, twice, thrice, and so on and so forth. As simple as that, we can make our work efficient by using a keyboard shortcut to increase and decrease an indent. But let's say for instance, we are using a keyboard in which the brackets, either the right bracket or left bracket or vice versa, is not available or is not functioning. Is there a way in order for us to increase and decrease the indentation? Well, fortunately, yes, there's actually a way. And how do we do that? Now, from the previous videos, I have mentioned a very useful tool that we can use in Google Docs, which should be located on the upper panel of our screen. Specifically, it is located on the upper left corner of our screen, which is the menus or search the menus tab. From here, we can search for indentation. Indent. From here, we can see 3 different options that we can choose from. Now, what we would like to select is the one that is applicable to our use. Let's say for example, I would like to increase the indent, then I would press this one. Or if I would like to decrease the indent, let me increase it, then decrease the indentation, just press on this once. And as you can see, as simple as that, we can increase and decrease the indentation of our paragraph. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like in this video. If you like videos like this, we have a dedicated playlist compiling the different Google Docs tutorial in our YouTube channel. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.